Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. I'm doing well, doing as good as I can be. So you probably saw by the title of this video. Okay, wait. See, I'm not even used to this anyways. Okay, so welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe down below, the red button, and also click the bell button so you can be notified every time I do upload, which will hopefully from now on be more regular, which is usually every Friday at 12:30 Central African time. And for my returning subscribers, hey family, I'm sorry I've been so absent, but I'm about to get into why I've been so absent. And you've probably seen by the title of this video what is it about, and it's a life update. So I have been, sorry, let me just get my phone. I have been MIA for a while, and I just thought that you guys should maybe like have a reason why I am so MIA and why I haven't been uploading recently, like more consistently, sorry. So on the 20th of March, I lost my father, and I don't want to cry, but if I do, I apologize. So I lost my father. Even just saying that is just, it's very weird. So I lost my father on that day, and ever since then I've literally been in a like limbo about my whole YouTube thing. Obviously I'm going to carry on, but I just felt like I needed a break. I didn't want to be fake when I come on camera and fake it. I know that people say you should fake it until you make it, but I really just was not in the headspace to actually like sit down and film and pretend to be happy when I'm not even close to being happy. But I am currently there, I think, but it's all a process. And so I lost my father on the 20th. It was very sudden. So I literally, obviously if you were on my Instagram you would know, but my dad had been sick for a while. He was diabetic. On that day he woke up in the hospital. Sorry, he was in the hospital on the Monday, I don't know what date that was, and then he passed away on the Wednesday, which was the 20th. And he passed away. He was sedated because he was very disorientated. So he had bleeding on the brain. He had a heart attack, a stroke, and what else was there? I can't remember. But anyways, it was very hectic. And so obviously I was with family. And yeah, so that's also why I've been kind of not there. And so that's one of the reasons. And then also exciting news, literally a week after my dad's funeral, I was accepted into UNISA. So okay, so what you guys don't know is I studied at the University of Pretoria. Sorry, I'm very fidgety. I studied at University of Pretoria between 2014 and 2016. 2016 I dropped out because the reason why I dropped out was because low-key I did not have good grades, and not low-key, it was the facts. And I just hated disappointing people, so I was just like, let me just like stop. So I stopped, and then I started my job in 2016, and I've been working ever since. And then I decided, let me just do this. So I registered last year, and I wasn't accepted for first semester, so I was accepted for second semester. So I am going to be finishing off my degree, yay. And yeah, so I've been good. I've been very good. Obviously grief it comes in waves. And I'm filming this, probably it's not going to be posted anytime soon, maybe like in a week's time, but I'm posting this on Father's Day, and this morning was the worst. I was crying. I put off my data for Instagram and Facebook. I'm not a hater, but I just don't want to see that at all. So so that's what I'm going through. I just went out for lunch with my friend. Thank you, Dimbo. So that's what's been going on. I actually made a list of stuff that I wanted to update you guys on. So let me look for the list. And also I'm currently a business owner. So my dad has a graphics designing company or business, and my mom, myself, and my sister are taking care of that. So I'm also currently a business owner. So that's amazing. And yeah, so I just thought that before I actually get into like back to the normal thing, like back to the regular scheduled programming, I should let you guys know what has happened in my life. This only happened in March, and I know it's currently June, but I needed time, and obviously here and there I did post, but it's gonna take a while for me to get back into the groove of things. But I just wanted to let you guys know what is up, and I'm still here. And if you guys please carry on supporting me, I would love it so much. I really do appreciate everyone that's been like subscribing and everything. I love you guys so much. So I just thought that as family I should let you guys know what has been going on in my life. And yeah, so a lot's been going on, but by the grace of God, everything will be okay, and everything, excuse me, will carry on being okay. And yeah, so that's all. I have nothing else to say, but thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Love you all.